Hello YouTube makeup lovers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to Be Lounge Makeup, I really hope that you guys stick around and subscribe for more videos. So I'm here today with a triple Louis Vuitton unboxing video. I'm really excited about a new handbag I got, and I also got two SLGs that I have been wanting already for a long time, so I finally went ahead and bought them. I really wanted to share these new purchases with you guys, so we better get started. First, I'm gonna start off with the handbag because it's definitely what I am the most excited about. Here it is in its dust bag, and it's just like a bag. It's just something that I wasn't even expecting to buy. I didn't even know that it was being released by Louis Vuitton. It's a new color. It really caught me by surprise, but I was really excited. The model is a very classic model that has been around for a long time, but the type of print and the color is really what got me and what I was so excited about. And the bag is the Speedy Bandouliere 25 in this new color. Definitely obsessed with this cognac color. It has become one of my favorite go-to type of colors. I even have it on my nails today. So really love the bag. This is the Monogram Empreinte print, and it is like the really nice leather, but it's different version of the Empreinte where it is just nice and big. Like you see the LVs, it's like in a very big type of size. I do have a Speedy 30 in the Monogram Empreinte. It's an older model, which I will share with you guys so you see the difference now, but it's just so unique. Everything is like just like the oversized type of design in this bag. The Monogram Empreinte is like one of my favorite type of leathers because it's like the true really nice leather. And this is the Speedy 25. I have a few Speedies already, and they're all Speedy 30s. I have one Speedy 35. I don't have any Speedy 25, so I was really excited that the Speedy 25 came out in this model because it's nice to have something a little bit different. Back in the day, I did have the Speedy 25 when the first, when the Damier Azur print came out in Louis Vuitton. That was the first Speedy that was available, the Speedy 25, and I bought it. And I ended up selling it because I thought it was too small back in the day, and I got the Speedy 30, which I love. But I'm so glad, now I feel like I don't mind. I'm glad that this one came out in the 25. It has the gold hardware, and it has the little hook so that you can put the strap. The interior of the bag is like a nice, beautiful cognac suede type of color. It is so pretty, so unique. It has a zipper on one side right here, and then it has the typical sleeve on this side right here, also with the gold. The bag does have, the Louis Vuitton sign here that says this one is made in France, and I just think it is just such a cute little bag. It has the strap. The strap is adjustable, which I think it's great. On me, it kind of falls, I feel like it falls a little shorter than other crossbody straps that I have. I mean, it still hits a nice area like by the hip, but I feel like I wish it would have been like an inch or two lower on me in the crossbody, and I have it in like the longest possible setting. I feel like the strap in my Pochette Métis is a little bit longer, and also the one in the Speedy 30, but I guess maybe that varies, but it's still a great length, so you can definitely adjust it to be on the shoulder or if you want crossbody, but it's still nice and comfortable. It's not like too short, like up to like up to my boob or anything like that, so it's still like nice in the kind of like up on the hip area. It kind of falls there. So this is pretty much what the bag looks like. Let me share it up close so you can see just how like the large type of imprints are from the bag, and just like the color is extremely unique. Here is the comparison with the Speedy 30 and the size. It's a pretty big difference in size. If you can see it like this, there you see the Speedy 25 on top and the Speedy 30 on the bottom. So this is an older model of the Speedy Bandouliere. As you can see, it's the regular size Louis Vuitton print. This is a version that had the pocket in the front, which I love. This one I have it completely stuffed, so that's why it kind of looks nice and big like this, because I have it stuffed just like when I store it so that it holds its shape. It has the lock here. This one also came with the little lock. It just came separate from the bag in a little box. I kind of like the fact that it's just so different how this has the regular size letters and this has like the enlarged size imprints into the bag. So really like it. Very excited over this cognac color. I feel like it's a nice classic color, which is kind of my go-to when I buy a new handbag, is just to get something classic that I think will last a long time, and I think that this definitely will. Then for the other ones, I got these from the website. Love the way, you know, all the boxes come with that cute little, like once you open it, like when it's closed, you can't really tell what type of box it is, where it's from, which is good. But then as soon as you open it, it just looks so nice. And then it comes with all your, you know, like your receipt comes in a nice little envelope. And then the box of your product comes in here, which I think is just so beautifully packaged. So the first one I want to share is this one right here. And this is the 6 key ring, and I got it in the regular monogram with, you know, the interior is the kind of brown, kind of cognac interior. I wish it came with the black. You know how the little backpack that I just got, the mini Palm Springs backpack has like the regular monogram with the black. I really wish that they also made it with the black, but they don't make this one. And this is definitely my favorite pouch for using, like for my house keys and things like that, because I do have a few keys. You know, you have the mailbox key, the key fob, and all that stuff, and 6 is just perfect for me. So, and I also kind of wanted like a matching set of like my wallet and the keys, so that's why I ended up going with this one. I really have never bought a little SLG with the regular monogram. Really love it. I think this is so cute. The other one I got is this one right here. Also came in the little box. This is the wallet, and this is like my favorite smaller type of wallet. This is the Victorine wallet. I've had this wallet. I have it in the Damier Ebene, and I love it. It's very convenient. It's just lately I just find myself using more smaller type of wallets, and this is just really convenient. It has, you know, it has for your bills. It has 6 credit card slots in total. It has 3, basically 3 here and 3 slots here. It also has a little area where you can put stuff in there and on this side. And then it also has a little zipper for change, which I try to never use just because I feel the change like kind of messes up your wallet and changes the shape, and then it kind of dirties it on the inside. But I feel like this interior color is pretty good for staying clean, whereas in the Damier Ebene one that I have, the Victorine wallet, I got it with the rose ballerine, the pink interior, and that one does get a little bit more dirty, but it's just so pretty. I like the Damier Ebene with the pink more than the red. I did want kind of like the little matching set of the wallet with the little key pouch. So that is pretty much it. I really hope that you guys had a lot of fun watching my Louis Vuitton triple unboxing. I may even do like another video where I compare the Speedy 25 and the Speedy 30, just to kind of give you guys the differences of the 2 bags once I already start wearing the Speedy 25, the new one. Let me know if that's something that you would like in the comments down below. I will also go ahead and write everything that I shared, the full name of the bag and the 2 SLGs, in the description box down below. As always, I want to say thank you so much for watching Be Lounge Makeup. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you go, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye.